channel. Today we are going to make soap with a one-step process, and it is called melt and pour. This is a soap that I've already made, and this is how it's going to look. To achieve this soap, you need to purchase melt and pour soaps. Today we're using a shea butter base. They also have it in other things such as goat's milk, glycerin. Glycerin will have that light transparent look, like kind of like jello, so you can get really fancy and layer it. You can also use mica coloring if you wanted to add colors to your soap, but for beginners we're going to be very basic. Also, I am going to add sugar because I love to exfoliate, and I'm going to just show you that you can add in things in your mixture. So I've already heated up my soap, and you are going to follow the directions. This is how I look. I cut out my squares. I place them in the microwave. You can also put it over warm water and let it heat up, and heat it up in 10 to 15 increments. I have the soap here already, and I have 1/4 of sugar. I am going to give it a good mix. And again, you don't have to put the sugar in here, but since I am making an exfoliant soap, I'm going to use sugar. For your soap molds, you can purchase any soap molds that you wish. You can use a silicone base, but today we're going to use the one I bought from Michaels. It's got little cute bumblebees on it, so I'm going to use this one today. You can also add in dried flowers, which I've done on this soap. I've got dried rose petals in here. You can put whatever you want. It's very simple. So I'm going to give it a good mix. And you want to pour right away because it will start to get really thick. Start really quick. And if you have to, if your mixture starts to get a little thick, go ahead and pop it in the microwave and nuke it for maybe 15 to 30 seconds. But you have to move really quick. Also, if you wanted to layer your soap, you can pour, let it set and stand for maybe 15 minutes, and then add a different color on top. There's all kinds of things that you can do to your soaps. I hope you guys enjoy making your own soaps. This is a fun DIY project. If you just want to make soaps and pass them out as gifts for Christmas or birthdays, have fun with it, experiment with it. But I thought that this would be a really fun video because it's really easy. And again, you can purchase your pour and melt soaps for maybe $5 to $10. I think I got this for $8 from Michaels, but you can find it anywhere. Thanks for coming to my channel, and let this sit for 24 hours and you will have your very own soap. So here are the soap molds. As you can see, they're almost kind of taut. They're starting to dry a little bit. So we're gonna let these sit overnight. We're gonna use these two tomorrow for demonstration, but this is what my niece has made, and it's probably the easiest bar of soap you can ever make. And these are the molds that we use. You can find these at Michael's. These are bumblebees. These are just plain shapes, and these of course are different roses. And then these are some of the essential oils that they use for scent. What you use, Layla?
This one.
What does that say?
Okay.
Midnight.
Midnight.
Okay. Midnight vanilla. Is that what you used?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll be back and we'll show you guys how we do
show
it.
you that it really works. This is so amazing.
And I can feel the crystals from the sugar. Feels so great. You can use it all over your body, of course, but I also have dry roses in there. That's probably what you see at the bottom. It's dry roses. And then I also have sugar in there again for my exfoliant because I love to exfoliate my lovely skin.